Y'all, this is your girl Nisha. I'm back with a living room makeover. First, I had to prepare the wall because I have kids and the wall's been dented up. So I have my putty knife and I have my vinyl spackling. So I already prepared the wall. It's dry and everything is good to go. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prime the wall with white paint, and then I will come back and you will see the end result of my living room makeover. this is the finished result of my living room accent wall. I used different size triangles to give the wall more dimension. The wall is approximately 20 feet long, 7.5 feet high. I still have to go over the ceiling with some white paint as I did get some paint up there. Otherwise, the time frame to complete the wall took a whole day from priming the wall to applying the second coat. I did not use a ruler, just let the frog tape guide you. You will see if the line is crooked or not. I hope you enjoyed my first video and there will be more to come. Materials used will be in the description box below. Please subscribe, like, and comment.